Good day everyone, I am Engine Cadet Season and I am here today to discuss the different types of AI that helps the marine environment protection. So, let's start with the topic. New technologies like AI-powered cameras, drones, satellite tracking, and underwater robotics are revolutionizing the marine environment protection, enabling more efficient monitoring data and enforcement of regulations, ultimately leading to a better compliance and a healthier ocean. Here's a more detailed look at these technologies and their applications. First, monitoring and surveillance. Satellite remote sensing. Satellites equipped with sensors can monitor vast areas of the ocean, identifying illegal fishing activities, tracking pollution plumes, and assessing the health of coral reefs and other ecosystems. Drones and unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs. Drones can be deployed for aerial surveys of coastal areas, monitoring marine mammal populations, and detecting plastic pollution hotspots. Underwater robotics, or ROVs and AUVs. Remotely operated vehicles and autonomous underwater vehicles allow for in-depth exploration and data collection in challenging and remote marine environments. AI-powered cameras and sensors. Artificial intelligence can analyze vast amounts of data collections by cameras, sensors, and identifying patterns and also the anomalies that might indicate illegal activities or environmental damage. GPS and satellite tracking fishing vehicles, and other marine traffic using GPS and satellite technologies helps to ensure compliance with fishing, quotas, and regulations that can also aid in the enforcement of the marine protected areas. Acoustic monitoring. Underwater microphones can detect and track marine mammals, monitoring noise, pollution, and assess health of marine ecosystems. Second is data collection analysis. Geographic Information System, or GIS. GIS software allows the visualization analysis and management of spatial data related to marine environment, helping to identify areas of concern and track changes over time. Big data analytics. Analyzing large data sets collected from various sources like satellites, drones, ROVs, and etc. can help identify trends, patterns, and emerging issues in the marine environment. Internet of Things. IoT sensors deployed in the ocean can provide real-time data on water quality, temperature, salinity, and other environmental parameters. Third, ocean cleanup and remediation. The Ocean Cleanup Array. This technology uses a floating barrier to collect plastic waste from ocean surface. Innovative waste collection system. New technologies are being developed to efficiently collect and process plastic waste and other pollutants from the ocean. Fourth, enhancing transparency and collaboration. Open data platforms sharing marine data and information through open data platforms can facilitate collaboration among scientists, policymakers, and other stakeholders. Citizen science initiatives engaging the public in marine monitoring and data collection can help build awareness and foster a sense of responsibility for protecting the marine environment. Examples of technologies in action. Whale migration monitoring. Infrared cameras mounted on ships or short-track whale blows night and day. Coral reef conservations. Underwater landscape, mosaics, and fluorescent flashlights are used to study and monitor coral reefs. Probiotic for healthy oysters. A probiotic that helps keep oysters healthy. Drones that sails and surfs. Uncrewed solar-powered vests that collect real-time, high-quality data. Marine deep sea restoration. Landers with dock crawlers and AUVs allowing in situ minimum interventions, battery recharging, and remote data transmissions.